Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover academic language with Coursera detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover academic language with Coursera, start by visiting the Coursera website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Use the search bar to look for academic language or related courses. Browse through the course options presented in the search results. Select a course that fits your needs and click on it for more details. Review the course overview, syllabus, and prerequisites to ensure it aligns with your goals. Check the course duration and schedule to confirm you can commit to it. Look for any reviews or ratings from previous students to gauge the course's effectiveness. Enroll in the chosen course by clicking the Enroll button. If there's a fee, proceed with the payment process or explore available financial aid options. Once enrolled, navigate to the course dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the course layout and resources provided. Start with the introductory modules to build a foundation. Take notes on key concepts as you progress through the lessons. Engage with supplementary materials such as articles and videos provided in the course. Utilize discussion forums to interact with fellow learners and ask questions. Complete quizzes and assignments to reinforce your understanding of the material. Set aside regular time each week to keep up with the coursework. Make use of any available practice exercises to enhance your skills. As you complete modules, reflect on your progress in areas that need improvement. Finish the course by completing all required assignments and assessments. Upon completion, download your certificate of achievement. Use the knowledge gained to improve your academic language skills in real-world applications. Continue practicing by engaging with academic texts and writing in your field of study. Seek out additional courses or resources on Coursera to further your academic language proficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.